Hey guys, it's me Kian, and today we are going to be playing Sumdog. So I have Natalia's right beside me. Hello. She can.
I'll just get a chair from my living room.
Okay. And we are going to make a YouTube video. So let's go into Sumdog. So what should I play? I kind of like. Let's play a game of. Oh, we're on 3D.
Oh, it's actually 3D and 2D sometimes, but you never know.
Let's play kiteboarding. So, Natalia, I'm just going to move this so you can see her in the cam. Oh, that's bad.
It's okay. If I sit down, you can see me. Wait, do you want to play World or play Robot?
Let's play World.
Okay.
And we get double points.
I know.
Right, so let's start this. I've only got 83 coins. Please do not.
Don't worry, this happens a lot. He's stuck. That's why he's coughing. If you look directly there, they're going to see directly your eyes.
Person in this house.
So anyway, my name is Kian. I am Natalia's best friend. I'm in her class. I've got a phone number. Oh yeah, let's start.
Phone number, same class, same school.
Go check out my YouTube channel. It's Lindsay C. Tate.
Yeah.
Lindsay? Who's Lindsay?
It's Kian.
Mum.
Yeah, but Kian's YouTube channel. And Kian, if you want to know something, you can talk to them. Big. Or small. Or not at all.
But don't press that.
Let's put all screen, even tiny screen.
But that's fine. That's fine.
Exactly.
Sorry,
I had to do it because it wouldn't work. Antonia, if you're going to be actually sick, I'm going to give you the. I want to put this down a bit.
Just put it down a wee tiny bit. Quick, because I need to do this. There we go. That's good. Right. Add one. So it's going to be
That one.
this one, right. Oh, I forgot that. Right.
You just click it. No, Lego.
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 I know what I'm doing.
Wipe out. Then can we do on mine? Like we're going to do 2 parts. One part with them, one part with me.
So check out part 2.
Yeah. After this video though,
You have 2 points, Kian.
nope he doesn't. He has way more points than you think. He has
70.
17 now. He has Wipeout.
That's not even a number.
Wipeout is a number sometimes.
But it's not. Yeah, I'm stuck. I'm stuck on the
14 plus 3.
Help, I'm stuck.
Now you're not.
Yes,
My cousin just likes to play around, so just don't. Double stomp, 20! Awesome!
Woo!
17.
You can't see a part of this camera. I'm really sorry.
They
I'll
can
put
see it very nicely.
Well, we might make another YouTube channel tonight if I'm staying at Natalia's house today. So. Oh.
Finished.
I am in second. Right.
8 coins.
I get. Right. Okay. So log out and Natalia.
We're going to have to switch.
So. Thank you for watching, everybody, and I hope you like this YouTube channel. Subscribe to hers and subscribe to me, Lindsay C. Tate. Bye bye.